I be pulling up, showing out, yeah. I'm the best at it, I'm the best at it. Always catch me up, I ain't never down, no. I'm the best at it, I'm the best at it.
Nabot na? Na solid. Kasya yung pabakin? Kapag
So pretty. Wow.
ito, boy, Amy. Huh? Big. You look like this. And you slide it like that. Yep. It's just as easy as that. Woo! Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, guys. Today is a morning.
Okay. Share ko lang. Ay, anong logo? Hi guys, good afternoon. So, sobrang napagod na akong mag-ayos ng condo. So, now, I'll do my skincare. Papakita ko sa inyo yung latest na skincare ko kasi it's so good. Like, I'm using a machine para ma-contour yung aking eto and also ma-tighten yung skin ko kasi pansin nyo naman, I'm glowing. Ayan, so, share ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya ginagamit kasi ang ganda niya. Actually, kahit parang sa bahay mo lang siya gamitin,
I used to think that beauty gadgets were all hype, but let me introduce you to my latest obsession, the Amiro R3 Turbo. First up, let's talk about eye care. I'm using the refreshing anti-wrinkle lyophilized eye mask. I paired it with Mode 1, the eye area special care mode, and this combo is like magic for your tired eyes. Just glide the device from left to right around your eye area for a lightning bright look. It only takes 4 minutes and you'll see a remarkable difference in firmness. My favorite thing about the device is you can feel it working on your skin. You can feel the pulsating and the tingling, and you can just feel it working. Check out this before and after. My eye area looks so much more lifted and awake. Next, we have Mode 2, the V-Contour Emergency Mode, and I'm using it with the Amiro Jawline Mask. This is perfect for sculpting the jawline and getting a snatch look. Move the device from left to right along your jawline. In just 4 minutes, you'll notice a more refined contour V-line. The radio frequency waves provide controlled heat to your skin, which signals your skin to stimulate more collagen production. And with more collagen, your skin becomes tighter and the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines is improved. You can leave the mask for more 5 minutes and then remove it. Look at that. My jawline is so much more defined and lifted, and I'm loving this. Finally, let's move to Mode 3, the full face anti-aging mode. I'm using it with the Amiro gel for a full face treatment, and you can start from your left cheek and move to the right cheek and then to the forehead. In just 5 minutes, you'll see a supercharged, youthful appearance with reduced fine lines and improved texture. Through the controlled pulses of EMS, the muscle fibers are activated, producing a lifting and firming effect. And the results speak for themselves. My skin looks so much smoother and youthful. I just love using the Amiro R3 Turbo. It's super easy to use, portable, and the results are instant and amazing. From firming and lifting to improving your skin texture, this device does it all. And that's it for my skincare.
Hi guys! So today's agenda for my condo makeover is my CR, my bathroom, kasi it's plain, right? It's boring. So I wanted to add some background on this. As you can see here, nag-add na ako ng mirror ko. It's a parang umiilaw siya na mirror. As you can see, it's giving powder room. So I bought, it's a sticky tiles. Parang adhesive lang siya na mukhang tile. So, ganito itsura niya. Like this. You open it up and then tatanggalin mo lang yung plastic cover niya. And ganyan itsura niya. And then may adhesive lang siya here sa likuran. Tapos tatanggalin mo gamit itong nakakangat niya ng something. So, ayan. Looks like this. Na vertical siya kaysa sa ganyan. Kasi feeling ko kung pag ganyan, medyo horizontal na siya. So, pa-vertical ang ating atake. Before that, I wanted to spray some alcohol in case na may parang oil residue kasi mahihirapan dumikit yung adhesive kapag medyo may oil etong wall. dyan lang yung nagawa ko kasi yan lang yung kinaya ng tiles na binili ko. So, I need more. I need more. I need more. Yeah, I need more. And hindi siya pantay doon, so I don't care.
Now it's time to do my curtain in my bedroom. And as you can see, it's so easy to, as you can see, sobrang dali lang niyang gawin. So I would definitely recommend it if you guys don't want to see holes sa mga curtains niyo, ganyan. Maganda siyang gamitin, actually. It's so good. Tsaka ang ano niya, ang ganda ng pagkakaslide niya. And ang gusto ko dito sa curtain na to, I noticed na wala siyang lukot na yung parang certain lukot ng mga cortina whenever you buy one na ready-made na. Kasi kapag yung ready-made, talagang may lukot siya na square-square. Then ko is linen type.
Ganda. Lagi ka na lang ang focus. Pakatulong niya tayo. Yeah, for. Talagyan ko ng vinyl tiles with floor kasi laging marumi ang flooring. Luna, dirty floor. Dirty. So dirty. Hindi ka diri. Kalilan tayo ng video. Ay, may kayong video.
Madali. At kailangan ka malapit.
Talagyan namin siya ng wallpaper sa flooring kasi may nakita na ako na disaster kapag nilagay mo siya directly sa tiles kasi yung glue ng vinyl, hindi siya, mahirap siyang tanggalin kapag nakadikit na siya, lalong-lalo na sa tiles. And, ito yung vinyl na flooring na gagamitin natin. It's a light yellow. Light yellow yung pinili ko. And, ayan. So, may sticker lang siya. Hindi na siya mahirap ilagay. Pero, lalagyan namin siya wallpaper sa floor. Kasi mas madali itong tanggalin. So, I'm just renting. So, mas prefer ko yung gantong way kaysa sa direct ko ilalagay yung vinyl na flooring.
Dalaga.